Push 4.
हेमेंद्र शाह, स्मितेश शाह, हितेश गांधी, अल्ताफ बुखारी, फाल्गुनी सुखाड़िया, प्रियंका पारेख and Vijay.
All right, zordar taliyan for the team. And you know, the most important person, Mr. Ghosh, please come on stage. And our senator, our congressman from Illinois, Raja Krishnamurthy is here. Perfect timing, Raja. Please welcome Raja Krishnamurthy. Raja, welcome. Good to see you. Perfect timing.
Mr. Raja Krishnamurthy, American businessman, politician, and attorney, serving as U.S. Representative for Illinois 8th Congressional District since 2016.
Mr. Ghosh, please. So this is called a true politician who can be present at the ribbon cutting ceremony at the right time. This is perfect. So can we make some space? So Raja, you are going to reveal this big reveal. This is the first time Chicago will be seeing something. Can I hold your folder? Is it secret documents? I have the US government secret documents with me.
You got everything now?
Yes. All right. Can we go to do the ribbon cutting ceremony? People are not going to able to see. Can we step back, please? Udhar bhi thoda sa space bana do, please. So we're going to cut this ribbon and we're going to reveal this for the first time to Chicago.
Raja, when you cut the ribbon, please look at here, please. Ribbon to udhar hai bhaiya.
Ribbon काटो इधर देखो सुदेश बोडेवाला की तरफ. Okay, जोरदार तालियां, come on. All right, and the lady in the pink for the first time. Woo! Everyone. Okay, before that, Suresh bhai, we want the Consulate General of India and Sunil Shah to reveal the award. Sunil, Neil bhai, can you help them? Pratibha ji, can you help? Yeah, CG. Okay, and another lady will be revealed right now. And this is the award for... Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Can you lift it up, CG, please? Thoda sar ke upar, above your head. Yes. Yes. Give a round of applause for FIA Star Awards. So, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for FIA Star Awards. The nominations are open now. We are going to distribute some pamphlets and some flyers on your tables where you can scan and nominate anyone. Hitesh bhai, if we ask you to nominate someone, kisko nominate karenge aap?
खुद को
Shirley ko? खुद को करेंगे. But that's a good point. FIA team members cannot nominate themselves.
Okay.
So FIA team members are not eligible. That is the first condition.
This is the good one, and like the people, you guys can think about it and contact our FIA members, and you can do that one. This is a very good time. This is the next level. We are doing first time in FIA, and it's like we are going in next level now. So please nominate yourself, and you will get a good reward for that one. Thank you very much, Jesse.
Yeah, just a correction, you cannot nominate yourself, you have to nominate someone else. Pratibha ji, what do you want to add?
Mr. Anil Lumba and Mr. Om Thengra.
Okay, Altaf bhai, aap kisko nominate karenge?
Santosh Kumar ji. Mother, actually mother, and very great.
Anu ji, who you would like to nominate?
Think we would like to nominate you, Jesse Palmer, the best.
Thank you. Neil bhai and everyone, please let's take a picture here because this is a historic moment. FIA is doing this award for the second time, 5 years back. Keep on taking pictures. Suresh Bodiwala ke liye zordar taaliyan. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. The nominations are open, and the first person to nominate online, you just scan the QR code, will get a prize. USA Films ki taraf se prize diya jayega, correct? So there will be prize, and there will be other gifts and items. So Bhairavi and Mohan, can we have you back on stage because there are more recognitions we have to do. Raja Krishnamurthy is here, Neil Bhai is here, and next set of nominations, please. Yes.
So for everybody that does not know what the lady was here, we just like to remind, it's the effort of FIA's 15 years of keeping the Indianness alive in the Chicagoland area, and that is a celebration, and it's a celebration of India's 77th Independence Day, and along with that, we are going to recognize who's who of Chicago, who's done a lot of achievement in their fields, about almost 15 categories that we have. The show will be fantabulous. It's going to be at the Matrix Club, and I think it's a black tie event. So it's a whole process for nominations. Followed by the nominations, it's a selection process, so on and so forth. So nominate the best people. You have the scan here. Later on, we'll put the QR code for scanning. So be part of this, be seen, be known, and be recognized, because nobody's going to recognize, but we would love to make sure everybody that deserves would be recognized. Thank you. And second but not the least, on your tables, you might have seen a flyer like this. Can you please take a look at your table? Do you have a flyer like this? 3 or 4 pages? All right, not on this side, I think. So we'll make sure you'll get, okay. So that's a wonderful flyer. As you open through it, it's a flyer that talks about what FIA's Star Night Award is going to be. We love to have you look at the sponsorship package, be a part of the sponsoring groups. Your businesses would be recognized. FIA is a platform to be known around the Chicagoland and the Midwest area. So look through it. We would love to have your sponsorships, be a part of it, and we'll go through the program and talk different levels that we have and what they mean. Thank you.
Thank you, Neil Bhai. And we would like our Congressman Raja Krishnamurthy to say his top 3 things that he always says. But this time we want to hear some different things. Put it together for Raja Krishnamurthy.
Raja.
You have to think of something new, Raja, this time.
Something new.
Yes. For FIA and the Indian community and the awards night.
Well, first of all, happy Mother's Day. Can we give every mom? Of course, in my house, every day is Mother's Day. Of course, we call that Happy Boss's Day. Look, I want to just salute FIA on everything that it's done. This is the 77th year of India's birth. In 2 years, believe it or not, it'll be the 250th anniversary of America's birth. And so, if you think about where India is right now and how India is our motherland, we are so proud, are we not?
Absolutely.
And, in this day and age where we always think of 3G and 4G and 5G, I sometimes think that we forget the most important G. You know what I'm going to say? What is the most important G in your life? Maji.
Maji! Yes.
And so, let us remember that today as we celebrate. On a more serious note, I just want to celebrate all of you. We are celebrating your accomplishments, your achievements, everything that you have managed to do since you've come to America. And Indian Americans have arrived.
That's right.
They have arrived like no other group. Recently, a census showed that you are the best educated group in America. You're the most prosperous group in America. You're the fastest growing part of the electorate. And you are the best looking people I've seen.
Come on, people.
Okay, I'm a little prejudiced. That was not in the Wikipedia entry. But on a more serious note, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for helping the whole community. Thank you for making sure that people like me can stand on your shoulders to reach for the stars, to be in the world's greatest deliberative body, the U.S. Congress. I am now in my 4th term. I'm seeking a contract extension for a 5th term.
It's done.
And so you are the people that have powered me, have fueled me. And so I just want to say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you. And I close with my favorite saying. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow's a mystery. But today's a gift. That's why we call it the present. And so I'm honored and blessed to be with you here to celebrate you, to celebrate FIA forever. Forever India ascending.
Woo! Forever India ascending.
Thank you so much and God bless.
All right, give it up for FIA and Raja
Thank you.
Krishnamurthy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, all of you. Thank
you.
you for staying here and thank you for all your
Thank you,
help.
Vinita ji. Thank you, Pratibha ji, Sunil bhai.
All right, let's do this. Neil bhai,
Yes.
the first person to offer a sponsorship, they will be coming here.
Yes.
उनके साथ 5 सुंदर लड़कियां फोटो लेंगी.
100%. So first person to announce and recognize one of these sponsorship awards, please read this. We have starting at bronze sponsor, silver sponsor, gold sponsor, platinum and grand. I think we have enough people here that are interested to support FIA, be a part of the FIA sponsorship. Anybody wants to raise a hand? Anybody would like to be recognized? I know we have among ourselves some already committed sponsors.
Okay, let's start with the first committed sponsor. Do we have someone who's already committed? Sunil bhai, can we have you on stage? Sunil bhai, can you come on stage?
And we would like to announce the first committed sponsor.
And any guesses for the first committed sponsor of FIA? Sunil bhai, do you know who's the first committed sponsor? Who you can always count on, who's always standing behind FIA, and the name is
Pinky Thakkar.
Pinky Thakkar.
Pinky
Come on to the stage, Pinky ji.
Pinky and Dinesh Thakkar ji,
Come
please come
on.
on the stage for committing to being a grand sponsor.
Wow. Mohan bhai, you need to come on with the microphone on the stage.
Dinesh bhai, Dinesh Thakkar, D.
Okay. And Pratibha ji has one more commitment from Anil and Anil Lumba and Mrs. Lumba. Please come on the stage.
Mr. and Mrs. Lumba,
Lick it
who
up.
has always been a great supporter of FIA. Anil ji, welcome on the stage. You have constantly been a supporter.
Mohan.
We respect and thank you for that.
Wow.
Anil ji just announced, please say.
देखो, first is Mr. and Mrs. Thakkar. जोरदार तालियां. Mr. and Mrs. Lumba.
So, and no better way than today to buy homes, and more better person than Anil Lumba ji to be approached. Even though he doesn't need the money, but he'll do a good service for you.
And Mohan bhai, Anil Lumba ji is everywhere.
I know is everywhere. Yatra tatra sarvatra. Har jagah
जी
present him.
अब थोड़ा सेंटर में आ जाइए प्लीज मूव एंड पिक्चर
A
एंड
round of applause for these two sponsors, please.
and we want to hear from Pinky ji and Mr. Thakkar. Pinky ji.
First of all, Happy Mother's Day to
Happy
all
Mother's
lovely lady, lovely woman. Good evening, FIA, lovely parivar, lovely team, excellent organizing.
क्या बात है
Very, very nice. And today MC, mind blowing.
Thank you,
मेरे
thank
को
you.
ऐसा लगता है मैं आज बम्बई में आई.
क्या बात है
आज मैं मेरी मुंबई में आई हूँ.
क्या बात है
So very, very nice. Thank you so much, Sunil Bhai, Rita Ben, all FIA team. Anytime, any help, we are with you guys. Just keep it up. God bless you, everyone. Thank you so much, Neil Babu, Pratibha ji, Vinita ji, everyone. All team. And God bless USA. God bless you.
ऑल राइट पिंकी जी देखिए आपने इतना अच्छा बोला है तो अभी ठक्कर साहब भी बोलने को तैयार हैं
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and thank you FIA for organizing very nice Mother's Day celebration and also conducting the best Independence Day for the future, plus the best awards. They're gonna conduct on
Star
August
Awards.
16, 17 something. So I'm very grateful to be a part of FIA.
Absolutely. And we have Mr. Bill Lyon who's committing another sponsorship. Mr. Lyon के लिए जोरदार तालियां. देखो
Mr.
देखो
Bill
कौन आया
Lyon,
कौन आया
welcome to say thank you so much.
शेर आया Mr. Bill Lyon.
Good evening, everyone. And I want to thank everyone for coming. So give yourself a big round of applause, okay, for coming, all right? And I want to wish a happy Mother's Day not only to all the mothers here, but all the women that are here, because I'm sure you've affected someone's lives that have made it important in their own lives. So, and I want to thank I've only been coming here, what, 2-3 years now, maybe something like that?
That's right.
But these events are just, in my opinion, are just awesome. And I want to thank everyone for supporting these events. So the next event is going to be, that I'll sponsor, is in August, and I will be a bronze sponsor for those events. Everyone who wants to be raise your hand. Everyone who wants to be a bronze sponsor, raise your hand, all right?
That's right.
Okay.
Bill, what kind of business you run?
I was a computer programmer, but I am actually retired now. So which took me a while to get used to, but supporting these
Very
events,
nice.
to me, opinion, is just a very important part of my life. So I want to not only thank everyone here, but thank you all my friends that have let me come here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Bill.
Thank you, Bill. We appreciate your support.
Thank you. As you can see, if Bill can sponsor, so can all of you.
Yes.
Can you? We would like to request upon stage our already committed and old sponsor from Metropolitan Asian Family Services, Ma Santosh Kumar, on the stage.
Wow.
We would also like to recognize and request Dr. Anil Uruskar and Asha Uruskar,
Wow.
who have always been a ground pillar of support.
Give it up for Anil Uruskar, Asha Uruskar, and यहाँ से Rita ji, यहाँ से. Here. शॉर्टकट है, शॉर्टकट. अच्छा उधर से, ओके ठीक है. ओके, मिसेस संतोष कुमार के लिए जोरदार तालियां. शी इज बीन डूइंग फैंटास्टिक कम्युनिटी सर्विस. थैंक यू सो. रीटा बेन कम प्लीज.
Asha ji, please come on the stage. You are equally needed.
Okay, जब तक आशा जी और रोस्कर जी आ रहे हैं, प्लीज गिव इट अप.
Santosh ji, a
few words.
Few words.
Good evening to all of you, and congratulations to all the mothers, beautiful mothers, powerful mothers. And you know, FIA is always on the forefront to celebrate things which matters. That is the strength of FIA. And I have a lot of faith on Sunil Shah, Neil Code, and whole team which have gone, like Vinita and now Pratibha is there. So we have to do great for India. Right now, India is on the top. So we have to think about our country, and we have to project our best of the best which we can do. And we have to change our behavior also to match that. So that is my request to all of you. We should dress with Maryadat, and we talk like a well-established people. This is the best community after America's, best, richest, and most educated community. We should reflect that in our behavior. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I want to tell you one thing about Mrs. Santosh Kumar. We were shooting a film. We approached her. We want to use their office. She just, and her sons, they just gave her the entire office to us. Really, you are such a great lady. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the next gentleman and lady, इनको कौन नहीं जानता? Who? मोहन कह रहा मैं नहीं जानता रे. आशा Oraskar and Anil Oraskar के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Very humble people, very good pair, good couple. Neil bhai.
From Orocam Technologies, who provide world's leading technology in filtrations and many more. They could be the better ones to tell.
Absolutely.
Thank you, FIA. Of course, Neil and Sunil, you know, we've known them for many years. Orocam has been here for almost 28 years. We love this community. We want it to grow, and we want it to grow for the future of for our children and the next generation. So I think, thank you, Sunil. You're doing an excellent job raising FIA to that level. So we are very happy to sponsor the gold sponsorship
Gold sponsor, ladies and
FIA
gentlemen.
that we have always done. Please come forward and support this organization. You can see how much work they are doing throughout the year, not just this occasion, but throughout the year. Thank you.
Thank you, Asha. We want to hear from Asha ji and then we can take pictures. Asha ji, please.
I want to congratulate one and all of you representing FIA, whether you be at the board, at the advisory board, or a person actually volunteering or attending here. Everybody here feels a part of the community, and that is such a tremendous feeling. Everybody give yourselves a very big hand for these guys. They're doing a great job here. And Desi Junction today has added, you know, such a tremendous charm to everything. It's great job, absolutely great job. Thank you again, and may the force be with you.
Absolutely. Give it up for FIA sponsors, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you, Asha ji. Thank you, Anil ji. Thank you, Usha ji. All right. We have few more awards to give away, and we'll come back for sponsorships. Last call for sponsorship. Last call, then we have some awards to give away.
Yes. May I invite Avnisha with ReliCare, President of ReliCare. Avnisha.
We would also like on the stage to invite Dr. Berry, who has been a strong foundation support for last many, many years. Mrs. and Mr. Berry, please come on the stage.
All right. Avni Shah and Mr. and Mrs. Berry on the stage.
And Brish Sharma ji, I know you are somewhere here. You're Brish Sharma and Vijay Sharma ji.
He's Brij
Please.
Sharma ji's
Pillars of support for the FIA from the day we have started. They have constantly been a force of Power Volt Industries. Brish Sharma ji, please come on the stage. And Mr. and Mrs. Berry, you have always been kind. And let's hear from Avni of Relia Care. Is that how you say it?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for having me here today. I am proud to say ReliaCare has been around for almost 25 years, since 1997. We provide services to seniors as well as young adults and children. I'm very proud of FIA for what they've achieved over the 15 years. I was also a part of the founding members with Sunil ji and Neil Kote back 10, 15 years ago. So this brings back a lot of memories. But thank you all for having me. Thank you all for supporting ReliaCare as well. And happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful ladies here as well as at home. I don't have my mom with me today, but I definitely miss her. And I know she's watching over me and my family. Thank you, Sunil Bhai. Thank you, Neil and Rita Auntie, and everybody from FIA team. Thank you.
So, Mohan, did you hear that? इन्होंने क्या बोला? She's the founding member of FIA. One of the founding members, right?
With Sunil ji, 15 years ago.
15 year की तो ये खुद लग रही हैं. Is she 15? She's 15? Okay, then I trust him. Great job. Thank you so much. And Dr. Barry.
I think my dad, Mr. Naresh Shah, he was here earlier, did say something.
He said he want to take the highest sponsorship. He told me in my ear. Highest sponsorship. बोला सबसे ऊपर मेरा नाम होना चाहिए.
So जो पापा ने बोला है, that is totally
हो गया,
fine.
done. Grand sponsor. Yeah.
I'm not sure what he said, but whatever my father said, we will definitely honor it. And again, you know, we're very, very fortunate to be part of this team. Wonderful team. They've done a lot for the community over the years, and couldn't be much happier to sponsor the next event.
Thank you so much. Please do understand, this money does not go to us. FIA is a non-for-profit, so you do have the tax deduction. You do get the tax deduction. So instead of giving some money to Uncle Sam, you could rather spend it and put it into the community that serves you back, that entertains you, that keeps the vision of India alive in Chicago. Do you ever miss India being here?
No.
No.
Nope.
Part of FIA is to keep the Indianness alive. Part of the FIA is to keep the connection, the relations everybody makes here, continue to do this. So the sponsorship is just one way of saying thank you, investing into your own communities. So that's all we ask for. It's not something that you are giving out for me or Sunil Bhai. It is more for the community, the non-for-profit. And I hope more will step up. Thank you.
Dr. Barry.
Dr. Berry.
Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Sunil Bhai, and thank you, Pradhaji. FIA, great team members. And we are very happy to be part of FIA team. And I will say that FIA is the organization who keeps all the Indians active in Chicagoland and does the charity work. And I will say that I will be a silver sponsor for this.
Whoa!
Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. क्या बात है. देखो पंजाबी है ना, दूसरे पंजाबी एक और है. पंजाबियों के किंग वहाँ पर खड़े हैं, right? ब्रिज शर्मा जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
Hello everybody. जब राजा इधर आता, राजा कृष्णमूर्ति आता ना, तो वो तीन चीजें बोलता है.
तीन चीजें. Yes.
He says 3 items.
3 things.
3 topics. मैं 2 ही सिर्फ बोलना चाहता हूँ. Number 1, today we are here to celebrate Mother's Day.
True.
And I want to congratulate all mothers present here and those who are not present.
जोरदार तालियां to all the mothers. Come on. Yes.
Mothers have a very, very important place in our life. So I would like to sum up all that by saying, सब पर्वत स्याही करूं, घोर समुंदर मंझाए. मतलब कहने का कि अगर सब पर्वत में पीस के और सभी समुंदर का पानी लेके मैं एक स्याही बनाऊं, इंक, एंड देन धरती का कागज करूं, माँ की स्तुति ना समाए. माँ का दर्जा इतना बड़ा है हमारी लाइफ में कि ये सब करने के बाद भी माँ की स्तुति हम लिख नहीं सकते, कहीं समा नहीं सकती. So that's one thing. The other thing is I want to congratulate FIA and the leadership of FIA for doing all what they have done for the community for so many years, presenting the community, presenting our heritage from India, preserving our heritage and taking it forward, transmitting it to the new generation. Congratulations. Thank you very much. All the best. Keep doing the good work. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
And at the end, I would like to say, I will also be a silver sponsor.
वाह क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां, great job.